Step into this picturesque backyard paradise, where whimsical cobblestone edging meanders gracefully around lush greenery and bursts of colorful blooms. The timeless charm of the cobblestones evokes a sense of old-world elegance, transporting you to a bygone era of romance and tranquility. It's a scene straight from a fairy tale, where every stone tells a story of timeless beauty and enduring grace. Whether you're wandering along the winding pathways or simply pausing to admire the beauty of nature's bounty, this enchanting sanctuary promises a journey through time and space, where every moment is filled with wonder and delight. Welcome to your own slice of paradise, where the magic of the past meets the beauty of the present. Welcome to this serene backyard retreat, where bamboo edging gracefully borders a tranquil pond adorned with delicate water lilies and lush aquatic plants. The gentle rustle of bamboo leaves in the breeze harmonizes with the soothing sound of trickling water, creating a symphony of tranquility that enhances the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where every ripple on the water's surface reflects the serenity of the soul. Whether you're lounging by the water's edge or simply taking in the sights and sounds of nature, this enchanting sanctuary offers a peaceful escape from the chaos of everyday life. Welcome to your own slice of paradise, where tranquility reigns supreme. Step into this stunning backyard sanctuary, where ornate wrought iron edging weaves graceful curves around vibrant flower beds and winding pathways. It's a symphony of colors, where blooming perennials and cascading vines paint a mesmerizing portrait of nature's beauty. Each petal and leaf adds to the visual allure of this enchanting space, creating a feast for the senses that delights and inspires. Whether you're meandering along the pathways or simply pausing to take in the beauty, this serene sanctuary offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Welcome to your own slice of paradise, where every moment is infused with the magic of the outdoors. Step into this breathtaking backyard sanctuary, where tiered retaining walls serve as edging for terraced garden beds bursting with a vibrant array of flowering plants and cascading foliage. It's a sight to behold, where each level reveals a new burst of color and texture, creating a mesmerizing tapestry of nature's beauty. The terraced design not only adds visual interest but also maximizes space in this outdoor haven, offering a lush oasis in even the smallest of yards. Whether you're admiring the blooms from afar or wandering through the verdant pathways, this enchanting sanctuary promises a tranquil escape into the wonders of the natural world. Welcome to your own slice of paradise, where beauty knows no bounds and every corner is a masterpiece waiting to be discovered. Welcome to this charming backyard retreat, where whimsical edging made from recycled glass bottles forms a unique border for flower beds bursting with native wildflowers and pollinator-friendly plants. It's a scene straight from a fairy tale, where each bottle tells a story of eco-conscious creativity and sustainability. The vibrant colors of the glass add a playful element to the outdoor space, inviting you to wander amongst the blooms and embrace the beauty of nature. Whether you're attracting butterflies and bees with the pollinator-friendly plants or simply admiring the colorful display, this enchanting sanctuary promises a joyful celebration of eco-friendly living. Welcome to your own slice of paradise, where sustainability meets whimsy in perfect harmony. Welcome to this charming backyard retreat, where natural stone edging is meticulously arranged to define lush garden beds bursting with colorful blooms and verdant foliage. It's a picturesque scene straight out of a fairy tale, inviting you to unwind and immerse yourself in tranquility. Each flower seems to whisper secrets of serenity, while the surrounding foliage offers a comforting embrace. Whether you're lounging in a cozy nook or simply wandering amongst the beauty, this enchanting sanctuary promises moments of peace and relaxation amidst the chaos of everyday life. Welcome to your own slice of paradise, where nature's beauty knows no bounds. Step into this inviting backyard haven, where decorative metal edging delicately defines the edges of raised garden beds brimming with a vibrant tapestry of colorful annuals and perennial herbs. It's a scene straight out of a magazine, where each bed is a canvas bursting with life and color. The metallic accents add a touch of contemporary sophistication to the landscape, elevating the outdoor space to new heights of style and elegance. Whether you're tending to your plants or simply basking in the beauty of nature's bounty, this enchanting sanctuary invites you to unwind and enjoy the simple pleasures of outdoor living. Welcome to your own slice of paradise, where every moment is a celebration of beauty and tranquility. Welcome to this dreamy backyard escape, where sleek modern edging crafted from polished concrete defines geometric-shaped flower beds brimming with sculptural plants and succulents. It's a vision of contemporary elegance, where clean lines and minimalist design reign supreme. The polished concrete adds a touch of sophistication to the outdoor retreat, while the sculptural plants and succulents create a striking contrast against the sleek backdrop. Whether you're lounging in the sun-drenched space or simply admiring the beauty of the landscape, this serene sanctuary offers a timeless escape from the ordinary. Welcome to your own slice of modern paradise, where every corner is a masterpiece waiting to be discovered. Welcome to this enchanting backyard oasis, where intricately designed brick edging gracefully outlines the manicured lawn and flower beds. It's a scene straight from a storybook, where every curve and contour tells a tale of timeless beauty. Amidst this idyllic landscape, climbing vines and flowering shrubs weave a tapestry of romance, their delicate blooms adding splashes of color to the verdant greenery. Whether you're strolling along the winding pathways or simply basking in the beauty of nature's embrace, this serene sanctuary promises to transport you to a world of tranquility and enchantment. Welcome to your own slice of paradise, where dreams come to life amidst the beauty of the outdoors. Step into this captivating backyard haven, where rustic timber edging frames verdant garden beds overflowing with a tapestry of native grasses and wildflowers. It's a naturalistic masterpiece, where every element harmonizes effortlessly with the surrounding environment. The rugged beauty of the timber edging complements the untamed elegance of the grasses and wildflowers, creating a scene straight from the heart of nature. Whether you're admiring the vibrant hues of the blooms or simply soaking in the tranquility of the surroundings, this enchanting sanctuary offers a timeless escape from the chaos of the outside world. Welcome to your own slice of wilderness, where every moment is a celebration of nature's beauty.